Welcome to Tech Mind, your source for all things tech. Have you ever wondered where our energy comes from? Well, get ready to explore the world of renewable energy, the key to a sustainable future. Renewable energy comes from sources that can be naturally replenished, such as the sun, wind, water, and heat from the earth. Let's take a closer look at each of these amazing energy sources. Renewable energy has many benefits. It doesn't produce harmful greenhouse gas emissions like fossil fuels, which helps combat climate change. It's also an abundant and sustainable energy source that will never run out. Solar power, for example, harnesses the energy from sunlight using solar panels. It's used to generate electricity for homes, businesses, and even whole cities. Wind energy, on the other hand, uses wind turbines to convert wind power into electricity. These giant spinning turbines can be found in wind farms all over the world. Hydroelectric power makes use of the energy from flowing or falling water to generate electricity. It's a clean and renewable energy source that's been used for centuries. And geothermal energy taps into the natural heat beneath the Earth's surface to produce power, making use of hot water and steam. By embracing renewable energy, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, protect the environment, and create a more sustainable world for future generations. And that's it for today's video on renewable energy. We hope you found it informative and insightful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Mind for more exciting tech content, and hit the notification bell to be notified of our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.